Hi ladies, I wanted to create a video today of the red iguana half practice hand that I got in the mail. First things first, I pulled out this cute little card that says I don't do drama, I do nails. So cute. And then there's this red iguana envelope. Next, there seems to be some primer for the silicone practice hand, which came in very cute packaging, as well as this cute box for the nail tips glue. And then this is the box that the half hand comes in with this adorable bow on top. This is the 2-in-1 stand that also comes with the practice hand, and then the nail tips. So as you can see, I ordered the practice hand along with all of the materials that comes in the kit. Here I am pulling open this adorable and perfectly tied ribbon on the box. Apparently they have a award for this product, and then this says your perfect model is here. I am so excited. When you open the box, it has a cute little message on the top of the box, this card with the QR code and everything. This ring comes with it, which is glam, of course. And then this is the very soft bag that the hand comes in. I'm pretty sure this could be used for storing it, or when it's not in use, as a dust bag as well. Here's the hand. As you can see, it is tightly wrapped and secured. Even the logo on the tissue paper has foil, which is great. And here it is. I am so excited, and I'm amazed at the detail. You could tell around the knuckles the skin is a little darker, or the silicone. Here I'm just changing the position of the fingers because I do have the posable hand. This is the underside and all around. Right here, I'm just trying on the ring. I had to zoom in to let you guys see the skin and the detail in the skin. So of course this is gonna look great on camera as it does now. It is so clean. And these are the magnets in the back that they use to stick to the stand. Here is the 2-in-1 stand. It comes in two parts like this. It's pretty straightforward. That was the base, and then this is the mechanism that sticks to the circle on the end. And this is used to adjust the angle on the hand, and it's all adjustable, so it's super convenient. On the bottom, it has this suction cup, and I was curious to know what it used to stick onto. Here is how the hand sticks with the magnets onto the base, which is pretty strong. I am thoroughly impressed so far, because I would think it needs to be sturdy for practicing and moving around and holding the fingers. Here I'm just taking off the wrapper for the bottom. As you can see here, it's very sticky and shiny. Here I'm applying it to the table, and as you can see, I just lift it up, and now I'm putting down the latch, and then I'm further adjusting the angle and to keep it in place. So here I'm going to try to stick it on the table and then apply the practice hand to it. Boom. It's very sturdy, and yes, it's good to go. So with the envelope, I recorded this on a different day. I actually discovered that it was something in the envelope, and this was in there. There were a couple of stickers with the red iguana logo, as well as a keychain. How cute is this? So all in all, the packaging, the items, they are well designed. I am just really, really excited. So this is a type of follow-up. These are some nails that I already practiced using this hand, and baby, when I tell you I'm excited, I'm excited. Thank you for watching. Bye.